Today we're in the 2025 Nissan Frontier, and what I want to do is show you how to connect wireless Apple CarPlay to the new infotainment screen. So let's start by going on our phone. You'll find the gray settings menu, and then the third one down here is going to be Bluetooth. So go ahead and select Bluetooth, and then this is when we're going to go to the screen. So you can either click the phone icon or connections here, and then you'll see Add New right here in the center. So go ahead and select Add New, and then on our phone here, you'll see My Frontier pops up. So go ahead and select My Frontier, and then the pin on the screen should match the pin on the phone. So go ahead and click Pair, and then it'll ask if you want to allow your contacts to be synced. In my case, I'll just click Don't Allow. And now it'll say Connect to CarPlay. So you'll go ahead and click Connect one more time on your phone, and then on the screen here, it will ask if you'd like to use Apple CarPlay. So you can click Yes, and then you will need to make sure the vehicle's Wi-Fi is turned on. So if it's not already, go ahead and select Yes there, and then it will take a second and it will connect to the device. So now that it's connected, you'll have messaging, Google Maps, everything built right into the screen, and you won't have to use your phone when you're driving around.